On 20th of December, money bandits made an attempt to steal money from Raju Rongpar's car park in front of the State Bank of India depot. But their mission was failed due to the warm-hearted pedestrians who witnessed the act vigilantly alarmed the citizens and intercepted their escape, successfully nabbed one of the members of the money bandits and handed him over to the police. On 20th of December, a robbery incident took place near SBI Depot branch along the roadside of Depot Lamding Road, falling under the jurisdiction of Depot Police Station. But due to the citizens' consciousness, the witness of the act alarmed the owner of the car as well as the concerned citizens' presence at the area, which consequently intercepted their rant, nabbed and finally handed him over the police. The owner of the car was identified as Raju Rongpar, resident of Okereng, Hauraghat. Raju Rongpar, while briefing the media, informed that he came to Depot to withdraw a contract bill amount of Rs 22 lakhs in total. After withdrawing the money, he went to his vehicles and saw his tires were punctured. He then went outside to fix his tires, keeping the money unattended. Then unidentified individual stole the bag containing all the money from the car. He was then informed by some pedestrians about the incidents with suspicions of robbery. He then checked his car and found the bag missing, then saw a man trying to evade with the bag. He shouted for help, and that's when citizens present at region intercepted and finally nabbed him.
He mo gari tu eneka fumai pelai poisa tu loi loise. Moi tu dekhi ponai teketok tar sot dur pra ejon manue mane mor gari te fumai pelai kiba poisa kiba tupla lua dekhise bole. Tar bisot ei dos bole apunar poisa loise niki sur তেখেতে কৈছে আৰু তাৰপিছত মই ফটকে চাই পেলাই মোৰ পইচা মানে গাড়ীতে পইচা আছে নে নাই বুলি এটা চালু পইচা নাই তাৰপিছত মানুহজন সেই দৌৰি আছে মই তাৰপিছত দৌৰি একদম চিঙৰি আছো এই চুৰ হয় বুলি তাৰপিছত এই ডিসি অফিস লৈ 100 মিটাৰছ মান বেছি হৈ গল নেকি.
Likewise, Sanjeev Kumar Saikia, Superintendent of Police, Karbi Anglong, also called for a press conference on 21st of December regarding the incidents. During the press conference, it was informed that a confidential information was received regarding the presence of money bandit and possible occurrence of robbery within the state. Hence, acting upon the information, Assam Police vigilantly launched an operations to apprehend all the money bandits. One of the bandits apprehended at Depot on 20th of December was identified as Sagor Guwala.
Depot PS case number 129/22 under section 120B 392 IPC. আৰু আমি তদন্তৰ কালত গম পোৱা গল যে তেখেতসকলে আহি মাজে মাজে ডিপুৰ বিভিন্ন জায়গাত লামডিঙত ষ্টেচনত নামে আৰু ডিপুত কেতিয়াবা লামডিং ৰোডত বা বৰলংফাৰ এনেকুৱা জায়গাত ক'বাত জংগলত সৰু কেম্প পাতি পেলাই থাকে.
During interrogations, Sagor Guwala revealed several information regarding their gang and hideout camps. Therefore, police department instantly went to investigate as per the information he produced. It was then police were compelled to shoot at his legs as he was trying to escape from the custody during a ground investigation.
New Jalpaiguri pra teo ketia is a definite information dia nai. Teo koise je ahi pele Lamding stationot ami namu aru ahi ami usore pajore kobat jote subidha pao tote thaku. Jongolor majot ekhon polythene tani loi pele teneke thaki die aru jetia subidha pai dinot ahi pele reki kore sai tar pisot subidha pale teo koribo boli teoloke bhabi asile.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.